Now I'm in IXL section in 8th grade math, Q.4, dilation, scale factor, and classification. So the first section of this, what it starts you out as is the purple shape is a dilation of the black shape. So meaning the black shape is our pre-image or our original. So is it an enlargement or a reduction? And it's pretty clear to see that if the black shape is our pre-image and we went to the purple shape, that is an enlargement. The green shape is the dilation. So the black shape is the original or the pre-image, and we can see that that is also an enlargement. I'm going to jump a level, but this one, the purple shape is a dilation of the black shape, which was the pre-image. So the black shape is the pre-image, and that was a reduction. So just be careful which is the pre-image and which is the dilated image. So I'm going to skip to a new section just to see what else it gives us. The purple shape is a dilation of the black shape. What is the scale factor of the dilation? So here we have been given two shapes, and now we have to look at the dilation. So there are a couple ways that you can do this. You can do this by looking at the vertices that correspond to one another, or you can look at the side lengths that correspond to one another. So I'm going to do both just to give you an example of both, but it's your choice how you want to do this. So the original is the black shape. So if I take the black shape and I'm looking at this side length here that I just highlighted in blue, and that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's a side length of 5, and my corresponding side on my new image is a side length of 1. So that doesn't need to be simplified, and that can just show us. So you always put the dilation over the pre-image and just make sure it's sides that correspond or match up. So, and I always try and use just perfectly vertical or perfectly horizontal side lengths. So this is 1/5. When you look at that scale factor, you also can look at points. So this point here is -10, +5, and its corresponding or matching point is here at -2, +1. And we can see that to go from the pre-image of -10, +5 to -2, +1, we had to multiply these numbers in our pre-image point by 1/5. So it says to simplify your answer, which 1/5 is simplified, and write it as a fraction or whole number. So there is my fraction, 1/5, and that is my scale factor. So the blue shape is a dilation of the black shape, and so same thing, trying to find the scale factor. So up to you, you can use side lengths or you can use points. So if I take this side length here and its corresponding side length here, remember the dilation goes up top in our ratio or our proportion. So that goes 10, 11, 18. So that is a side length of 18. And our pre-image is a side length of 9. And if we simplify that, because remember it says simplify your answers, so make sure you read the directions, that's going to be a 2 or a 2/1. Also, you could use the points. So if I take this point here as my original and its corresponding or matching point is there, that point is at 4, -5, and the new point is at 8, -10, and we can see that we just multiplied both of those numbers by 2. I'm going to quickly go to the next level. I have 10 seconds left. So same thing, we're just finding our scale factor.